So tell us. Roots, and they do what?
They absorb.
Absorb and anchor. So they were one of the necessary evolutionary parts because they helped anchor the plant to avoid being blown away, but also to absorb nutrients that they were now lacking because they weren't in a watery environment. What is this? Raise your hand. A leaf. What does a leaf do? How? Okay, but give me like specific details. Yes?
Absorbs light.
Good. It captures sunlight and then it exchanges what?
Oxygen.
No. Close.
Or carbon dioxide.
And? Good.
Water.
And?
Water.
No. Oxygen. It exchanges carbon dioxide with oxygen. Good. And that's actually a ficus leaf. You don't have to know that, but I'll just cover it back up. Now, what is this opening here that we're looking at? We're like, you see the leaf on the top? I'm zooming in on the microscope in that little circle that I have. Good. Stomata. And what does that opening do? It's a pore, and yeah, it could be. Good. It allows for that to happen. It's an opening that allows for that gas exchange that I'm referencing, carbon dioxide to oxygen. Who can tell me what this is? Major group name of these two parts that I'm referencing by looking at the picture and seeing what's going on. Yes?
Stem, xylem, and phloem.
Okay, I'll give you xylem
Structure.
and phloem. And what?
Vascular structure.
Good. They're the vascular tissues. What are they responsible for?
Transporting.
Good. Transporting. They transport water and they transport other nutrients, mainly water. So xylem. Who knows what the xylem does? Specific function of the xylem.
It brings water from the roots.
Good. It takes, the water and the nutrients from the branch to the leaves. Because the roots take in the water, so the xylem is going to be connected to the root, and it's going to take it through what? Where are we? This whole process is taking place where?
In the stem.
In the stem, good. So it's going to take the water and nutrients from the branch to the leaf, or the stem to the leaf. Now phloem does what? P for phloem.
Water and like.
Okay, it's going to take the products of photosynthesis, which is food, and it's going to transport it where?
The roots.
Maybe. Where else? Any other part of the plant where food is required, right? Up, down. Think of P for phloem and P for products of photosynthesis. What is this?
The
Stem. What does the stem do? Whoops.
Provides support and supports.
Supports for the leaf to stay up so that the leaf can carry out photosynthesis, and it's also like an intermediate source between the roots and the leaves, so it's where the vascular tissues are found. So in case, light is a complicated thing for me to understand, but plants reflect green light, so this is why you see them green, and that's all things, but plants have these special pigments, and they absorb light. What are they? Good. Chlorophyll, and there's an A and a B, and those are the main ones, so those are the ones you have to know. And you were thinking chloroplast, which is like the structure, but the actual pigment is chlorophyll. So I have nothing covered here because this is all like new, and I probably should change this up so you could give me some information. But the internal structure of chloroplast, as you've always known, is designed to capture light energy, or light. It doesn't have to be sunlight because it could be the light from this room. And it has stacks inside that are called grana, and you have to know all these vocab words. I think we actually play bingo with this unit because there's a lot of vocab words. Each pancake in the stack is called a thycloid, and these specific structures do not have to be in your animations, by the way, okay? And I'm going to clarify that. The membrane contains the pigments to capture light, and those are called photostems, and they're full of electrons. So that's what allows that movement or that flow. And in between the thycloids is the stroma. So for this specific unit or this slide, you have to know each of these vocab words and their function. But you do not have to be able to process their part in photosynthesis, okay?